Oh, hey guys, welcome back. Stepping inside my office, I got some stuff to show you. So we're doing another really cool Trim-Tex detail here. And for this one, we're using what's called a Trim-Tex F-Bead. These guys are designed to give you a shadow reveal. The one that we're using is a 3/4 reveal. They come in different sizes, but we've already gone ahead and pre-painted these, the gray that we're gonna be using. So basically when these are installed, it's gonna look like there's a gray shadow, gray reveal, I guess. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how we're going about installing these. So the first thing we did, before any of the drywall went on, we made sure that our flooring installer ran his floor as tight to those studs as he could, still leaving about an 1/8 of a gap, but you wanna make sure that the floor continues under the drywall surface. So once that's done, we went back and we cut out roughly about 1.25 inches around everywhere that this bead is going to end up going in. Then after our bead is painted, what we did is we went and we cut our miters ahead of time. And a good tip with that is to make sure that you get a nice sharp saw blade in your miter with as many teeth as possible. I think we're using one with 100 teeth to make sure that this doesn't shift when you cut it. Basically, if you give yourself a reveal cut here, you'll avoid creating those plastic ninja stars that go flying when you cut it. Once they're cut, I recommend installing your corner bead first, because what we noticed is if you go and do this without the corner bead in, what'll happen is you'll be left with a slight indent here. And what happens is when you put your corner bead on, you fill it with mud, it brings it out about 1/8. So you want to make sure that you have that straight surface beforehand before you go install these guys. Once that's done, and you cut all your length, same process as with the other Trim-Tex, is you're going to fit it, you're going to glue both sides, you're going to glue the drywall, you're going to glue the Trim-Tex, and you're going to go ahead and staple it and mud it in as you would with the other Trim-Tex beading. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Sides glued up. Material. Make sure that 90 heats up nice. What a cool detail. We showed you guys a little bit about how to install these Trim-Tex F-Beads, and now that it's all done, I'll just give you a quick recap. We bought these beads, and they come in a white plastic, so we went ahead and pre-painted them with a color, I think it's Benjamin or Chelsea Gray. We put a couple of coats of primer and then painted those guys up gray before we installed them, and then we mudded them in. And here is something that's kind of interesting. You can see where the F-Bead and the Trim-Tex L-Bead integrate with one another. So we cut back to allow a reveal here. And then, as you can see, it ties in kind of nicely when it's all said and done. But it's a cool way to terminate this. You didn't want to have this exposed, so it gives it a nice cap on the end. As you can see, we've continued the theme all the way through the bathroom. So if you come over here, you can see what an outside miter looks like with this Trim-Tex F-Bead. You got to make sure that your miters are perfect and nice and sharp so that when it butts up, it integrates nicely with the metal corner bead. The cool thing about painting the bead in gray first is it really helps give the illusion that the drywall is floating. It's a shadow reveal, and it's only amplified by the fact that it's painted gray. Pretty cool.